The Clemente Cultural Center is known for opening their galleries to emerging artists like those featured in Los Tecuanes de Nueva York, the first cohort of the year, expressing the center's value of tradition.
I think it really represents a lot of intergenerational development of cultural traditions.
Today, traditional Tecuane groups can be found in Brooklyn. Curator Odalys Burgoa and other artists discuss the Mixtec dance and its connection to the Bronx.
So this exhibit is exploring two different timelines of two different Tecuane dance groups. One of them took place in the early 2000s on Boyan in the Bronx.
The photo right behind me is of Angelique and Miriam. There's Miriam and her daughter. And we made this photograph in the Bronx off the Grand Concourse. And so it's like, again, thinking about the Tecuanes, this tradition, but also readapting it to different parts of the city.
I was brought into this tradition through family. My partner's family, they invited me to join the group, and from there I brought my sister in, and I've danced with my sister for 10 years. And so my work has to do with like my sister, and the other half has to do with the people who invited me, which are now like my family members.
Solitos se van dejando llevar por la música y es una conexión muy es complicado de explicar porque cuando uno se viste el cambio es total. O sea, uno se transforma y es totalmente algo muy diferente, es muy místico.
This dance was traditionally led by men, but has now evolved to include women and children. The exhibition highlights the new generation continuing this legacy and tradition here in New York City.
This is what we're doing today. We're exhibiting work from two different dance groups from different timelines, and it's just showing and exhibiting the ways that we're still keeping this tradition alive.
Los Tecuanes de Nueva York will be on display until May 12th. Visit theclementecenter.org for more information. Reporting for BronxNet, Jokathy, Tapia.